don't think that the crew who runs this place knows what they're in for yet. It's going to get very reckless and very out of hand, but of course, safety third, we'll be fine.
Scott Beth, yes sir. Friend in the tent, enemy on track. What's the hot tip to get around here fast?
Just to get your nipple played with.
Good start. Any driver tips? Do we have to brake in the corners?
No.
No?
Braking is completely optional.
Cutting corners? Yes or no?
Absolutely.
Okay. Hey, copy that.
Unless they're throwing black flags, then absolutely.
When they throw the black flag, it's typically on the right side of the track. If I'm looking to the left and I visually can't see it,
Then you
do I
continue on.
continue on? I copy that. Thank you. Back to you in the studio.
Utter domination.
By me?
Fun.
No, you were getting lapped. What are you talking about? You were so
What are you talking about?
You were nearly getting lapped.
In the back?
Yeah.
I was all the way in the front.
No, it was the back.
That's a pretty likely story.
We were all coming round to lap you.
Yeah.
I saw that snap understeer.
Yep. I see.
Alright. These interviews are stupid. Let's go.
Back to you in the studio.
He just wants to say that.